welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video for you all. I'm basically doing a face brand tutorial, whatever. Get ready with me. I don't know. I'm gonna be using Makeup Revolution's like foundation, concealer, the baking powder, and the lipstick. That's the only thing I really have from them. But I also do and grow with eyeshadow and highlighters. I'll do a full brand tutorial. But this is just to show you guys what I just got recently in my haul. And I'm doing it by sections because I got a lot of things in bulk from different brands. So I'm starting with Makeup Revolution. But enough with the chat. I'm basically going to be talking about the famous foundation, the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And I'm going to be talking about the concealer. And I'm going to be talking about the banana powder. And I'm going to be talking about the lip kit in Noble. So that's what we're gonna be using for today. And I'll post everything, prices, links to everything down below. And yeah, also, it's not my first time using these products. I've been testing them for like 2 weeks now, just to get the full review and the full of everything before I really fully get deep like into the review. So I already have enough time to test it out, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I think of it. So if you guys are interested how everything turned out, then let's get started. Okay, so I already went ahead, did my brows, and did my eye makeup, and we're just gonna go ahead and just go along with how I usually just do my makeup. I'm just gonna use my Ulta Beauty matte face primer. I'm just basically doing y'all what I basically have been doing. So yeah, the foundation, like I said, looks really good when you first apply it. So we're gonna go ahead and take the foundation. I matched my color based off two things. There's a website where you literally plug in 2 of your most perfect match foundations, and it literally throws you all foundations ever like existed and your perfect match for that one. And y'all, it's like literally like legit. That's how I matched up. Whoops. That's how I matched up this foundation and the rest that I have bought so far. And also because I looked up a lot of videos before. So what I like about this foundation is that it has, I like it because it's like new, it's like different. So it has like this little, reminds me of like the Tarte concealer one. Yeah, it's a big applicator. And I use a brush. I always use a brush in my foundations because I feel like it just gives you more coverage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply, because I don't know really how much you're supposed to apply to these, so I just add. This is literally what I have been doing, and I just add more if I need to, and just start buffing it in. Just start buffing it inward. Now we're gonna use a concealer. The concealer, I feel like it's not also a good shade for me. Like, it's also, because, yeah. Okay, so now with the concealer, I feel like it's really not a good shade for me. It's kind of too pink. And I like my concealers yellow. So I'm gonna do one eye at a time so that we can get like a nice even distribution. Even with concealers too, I like to use brushes because I feel like I want my most coverage, and then I go in with the sponge. I want my most coverage. Take the banana powder. Gotta be careful because that can happen, y'all. It really fell all over the floor. Yeah, that's a mess. I'm just gonna, I guess, highlight with this. I don't know. Bake with this. Highlight. I don't know, y'all. People love it and they like obsessed with this product. So, but I'm telling you right now, y'all, it's gonna work. All right, so I'm just adding my bronzer to add some color back into my face. This is the Morphe Bronzer in the shade Vlogger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out this whole thing. overdo my bronzer, I just take my foundation brush and I just blend it. You may not see it on camera, but it's literally getting lightened up. That's what I usually do. We're gonna add our blush, which is the Tarte Feisty. I'm always using this blush because first of all, I'm not really a blush person, but I love this blush. And it's the only one that I own at the moment because, like I said, I was not a blush person, but I got an Ipsy and I was like, might as well just like try it out, and I fell in love. I'm gonna use highlighter, and I'm gonna use the same one that I always use, which from the Makeup Forever line. And yeah. Just looks like that. It just looks really glossy and wet. And yes, I have not removed my bake in a minute, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go ahead and now clean up. What I usually do, I do not use a brush for this. I kind of just use my sponge. I literally just clean it off just like that. This I'll use a brush in a minute, but I use a sponge. I'm just gonna clean out everything. It looks very bright. It looks very bright. Also, guys, I have it, but I don't really use this powder. I really thought that with the foundation it looked well. But stuff like that, when stuff like this happens, y'all, just use your brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just go back with my blender, bronzer brush, just to kind of add more color. To use some bronzer on the nose, just to kind of add some color. So basically just like pat it on the side and call it a day. Okay, so let me just kind of clean out my lips. Okay, and then stick, like this set is one of my favorites. It's literally one of my favorites. Go ahead. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead, as this is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair, and we'll be right back for the results and reviews. So this is basically the finished look using the 4 products that I wanted to show you guys from Makeup Revolution. So I'm just gonna go through one by one quickly because I have used this foundation and the powder and the concealer and the lip kit several times, so I already have enough experience to tell you guys my review on it. So starting out with the foundation, you can get it at Ulta.com. I went crazy looking through in stores. It is not in stores, y'all. Look it up on Ulta.com, and I'm going to put the website where you can match up your foundations, and you can look up several people with similar skin tone as you to work with it. The bright side about this, the positive, the upside, the pro side about this, it's basically, it looks really good on your skin when you put it on. Like, it looks like skin. It's amazing. You can build it up, and yeah, it's just, and plus the packaging is just really nice. So as you can see, the downside about this is that after probably 4 to 5, 6 hours, even if you set it with spray, bake, put on a matte primer, if you have oily skin, it's really gonna show. Not really gonna show, but you're just gonna know that you're going through, like, your oils are coming out, and it's not gonna be pleasant, and then you're gonna be wanting to touch your face, and you're literally gonna see your foundation stick off, and that's not cute. But if it's for like a 1 or 2, like a night out, definitely. If it's for something that you're gonna do for like 1 to 2, 3 hours, I definitely. But if you're okay with retouching, putting powder and everything on your, like if you have it in your purse, then go for it. That's that. The concealer, I got it for, the concealer I got it for like $8, I believe, at the Ulta website. These, you can find these in store, by the way. It's, you know, it's not online, but I matched it based off what I saw on the internet. It was an okay match. I probably use this in the winter time when I'm more lighter, but other than that, they compare it to the Tarte one. I don't really see that. I don't. The coverage, it's okay, I guess, but it's not, I mean, in my opinion, I use a Tarte all the time, so this is like, okay, but it's still gonna keep in my collection, and I'm still gonna use that whenever I have the chance, so yeah, there's that. The powder, my friend. really messy, as you can see. Like, it's just so messy right now. Okay, so for the powder, I got this on sale for like $3, y'all, but original price, I believe it's $8 to $9, but you get a lot if you use like, if you use a little bit, which you should, because this is a crazy amount to be baking with. It can last a long time. The Pro, it brightens up, but too bright if you leave it on for a long time. The Con, I just hate this. First of all, it's a little top. It's so little for you to dip your sponge in, and also it's just so messy. Like, I just made a whole mess on my pants, on the desk. It's just so messy. Other than that, the powder's more like a cream banana. It's not like a banana, but I guess if you want to try out, but I honestly would not rebuy this. Like, if it was yeah, it's something I would not rebuy. Last but not least, the lip kit, Noble. The lip pencil, I love. The lipstick, I love. For $9, this whole set. I'm planning on getting other colors, but look, it's just like a fall color. Like, I absolutely love it. Like, the only thing, from what I read in the reviews, it does make your lip look a little bit dry, but I always scrub when I wash my face at night, like once or twice a week. I scrub my lips for the sake of, because I do use a lot of liquid lipsticks. This, you can sharpen it when the tip goes, you know, like soft and stuff, like goes like, you know, gone. But this, I love it, y'all. Like, look at that. I absolutely love it. So overall, that is my review. If you guys have any questions, I'm sorry this video is like all over the place, but I just wanted to show you guys how everything just worked out for me, how it looks, how easy and hard and difficult and messy it is to apply some of the stuff. And yeah, as you can see, now my face looks more into me, like the foundation actually oxidized. It does oxidize, in my opinion, even though it doesn't have SPF, I believe. Either way, it looks like it's a big foundation, so it has a lot. But either way, y'all, I'll see you guys in my next video, and take care.